Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GoDaddy domain step by step clearly. To activate your GoDaddy domain, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the GoDaddy homepage at www.godaddy.com. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. Enter your GoDaddy username and password, then click Sign In. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Locate the Domains section on the left sidebar. Click on Manage Domains to access your purchased domains. Find the domain you wish to activate from the list provided. Click on the domain name to open its settings page. Look for the option labeled DNS and click on it. In the DNS settings, verify that your domain is pointing to the correct hosting provider. If not, you may need to update the name servers to your hosting provider's details. To change the name servers, select Change next to the Name Servers section. Enter the name server addresses provided by your hosting provider. After entering the information, click Save to apply the changes. Next, return to your domain settings page. Scroll down to find the Domain Status section. Ensure that your domain status shows as active. If it's still marked as pending or inactive, wait a few moments and refresh the page. Once active, you can now set up your website or email associated with your domain. Finally, check your domain's connection by entering it into your browser's address bar. Your GoDaddy domain is now successfully activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.